Here's the Hey You Guys page. Okay, ready?
Hey you guys, let's get to work.
Don't forget to show them the dovey.
Knock down that building. And bulldoze that tree. Yeah. Dig up that road. Yeah. Yeah. Roll that truck. Truck. Yeah. Dump that rubble. Now, let's eat lunch. Mine. Lunch. Mine. Next, dig a hole. Pour the cement. Lift that beam. What is that?
Build that building.
Building the building?
Build that building.
Build that building. Smooth out that road. Now, time
Okay.
to stop the machines. Let's go home. Go home.
We're going home. Yep.
One more page. Yep.
More work tomorrow.
More work tomorrow.
Okay. Should we let the dad read it now?